I'm going to show you my entire cleaning process for this kitchen, which products I use, and why I like to use them. I clean top to bottom and always dust my higher areas before spraying a cleaner. I want to eliminate that initial layer of dust on the surfaces. If I don't, and I spray my cleaner right away, I end up pushing around wet dirt, which becomes more of a mess to clean up. I'm using the OXO Extendable Microfiber Duster. Since it is microfiber material, it picks up dust very well. It extends high, and you can rotate and lock the head in different angles. It's reusable, so you can toss it in the washer to clean it. Next, I'm using a mop stick with a microfiber pad and spraying Athos multi-surface cleaner. I'm using this to clean the higher cabinets. I like this product because it's all natural and I don't have to worry about it stripping any paint or leaving streaks. It's safe for a variety of surfaces and it cleans well. When I'm done using the mop on the higher cabinets, I get a clean cloth, spray a little more Athos on it, and wipe the handles in around them. Next up is the stove. I remove the grates and the burner caps, put them in the sink, spray them with Crud Cutter, and let them soak while I clean the stovetop. I use the Crud Cutter to clean the backsplash. I took a paper towel to wipe off the initial layer of grease and any crumbs that may have been on the stovetop. I sprayed Crud Cutter on the stove and scrubbed with a wet Scrub Mommy sponge. Crud Cutter is another non-toxic cleaner. It is odorless and an excellent degreaser. I got my plastic scraper to remove some of the food stuck in the crevices. Then I sprayed water and wiped with paper towels. I followed up with a clean dry towel. Even though the stovetop is clean, do you see those streaks? I use spray weight to get rid of those, and I also grabbed their stainless steel cleaner. I sprayed the glass cleaner on a clean dry towel, buffed the stovetop out, and then got spray weight stainless steel cleaner, sprayed it on another towel, and wiped the stainless steel parts. I scrubbed the stovetop grates and the burner caps with the Scrub Daddy sponge. I rinsed and dried them, and then I wiped some oil on the grates. I moved on to the countertops and removed anything in my way. I sprayed Athos and wiped with a clean dry towel. I'm using Dawn Power Wash and a magic eraser in the sink. I prefer to use magic erasers on these types of sinks. I feel like they work the best at lifting any stains on them. I use the Athos scrub brush to clean the garbage disposal splash guard, and I used it to clean a little of the disposal as well. I rinsed the sink with water, grabbed a Glisten garbage disposal cleaner packet, ran a light stream of hot water, dropped the packet in there, and turned the disposal on. These can deep clean and freshen the disposal in just a few seconds. I grabbed 70% isopropyl alcohol and sprayed it in the sink to disinfect. I let it sit for about a minute and then wiped with a clean dry towel. I moved on to the lower cabinets and baseboards and cleaned them with Athos. I used spray weight stainless steel cleaner on the appliances. One thing I did not show in the beginning was I removed the kitchen grease filters and put them in the dishwasher so those could get cleaned. When that cycle finished, I put them back up. I vacuumed the floors with my Trucozy vacuum. This has a bright LED light that shows every piece of dirt, hair, and dust on floors. To mop the floors, I used Rot Dr. Fluoride. This is non-toxic and non-abrasive. You can use it on wood, stone, vinyl, tile, laminate, and more. It's pH neutral and does not have a strong odor. And here's the kitchen now. Once the floors dried, I returned the chairs and rugs and turned off all the lights. Now I'm ready for a coffee break. And there you go.